Here's a QVT for you. When making a shirt dress or button-down shirt for yourself, if you're following a commercial pattern, there's going to be a buttonhole guide. Well, guess what? You really don't need it. Only for one thing. When you're doing your buttonholes, always mark the buttonhole right on the center front where your bust line is. Then that way you don't have to worry about pulling fabric or buttons that are pulling or protruding. You'll have one right there at the bust point where you need it. And then from there you can measure how far of a distance are the buttonholes apart. And then after you put that bust mark on your shirt or your shirt dress, then you can start down. Count how many buttons that they have here, and then mark it on your fabric. That's what you can use this for. And then you'll have your buttons and all your markings right where they need to be and right where you need to start them. Hope this helps.